Welcome. In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 4. It is from section 1.5 of College Algebra 2E by OpenStax. In this problem, we need to find the greatest common factor. So our plan is to find the greatest common factor for the coefficients, and then find the greatest common factor for the variables. Then we'll combine those to find the greatest common factor of the expression. And so greatest common factor, we will abbreviate GCF. And for the coefficients, we have 14, and that is 2 times 7. And we can't break either of those numbers down further. And then 4 is 2 times 2. 18 is 2 times 9. We can break the 9 down, but it won't help us out here. And so these each have a 2 in common. And so the greatest common factor for the coefficients is 2. And now the greatest common factor for the variables, we have an x, an xy, and an xy squared. Each of these has an x, and so the greatest common factor for the variables is x. Now we combine these to find the greatest common factor for the expression. And that is 2x. I hope you found that helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.